The Shah Azeem Shrine in Ray has a vaulted hall entirely decorated with mirrors.
Shah Azeem Shrine-Tehran has some brilliant works of mirror mosaic. Here we see some traditional mirror mosaic covering the walls. A must-see. Shah Azeem Shrine is adorned with mirror mosaic not just as decorative art, but also with a symbolic value, adding to the grandeur of the building. Mirror mosaic inside holy shrines is not only part of the past. Even today, shrines are being decorated the same way. I visited a shrine in the city of Kashil to see for myself how the work is done.
One can hardly enter a holy shrine, a palace or any other significant building in Iran without being overwhelmed by entire halls designed with mirror mosaic.
The beauty of mirror pieces lays in its glittering reflection and the way it decorates a room and yet remains minimalistic. Mirrors and mirror mosaic and their symbolic meaning of truth and purity are a tribute to the holy shrines and religion. First, you need to design the mirror work. Then the design is perforated and put on the surface where the mirror work should be done, and color is sprayed on the design. The color passes through the holes and the design is copied on the surface. The mirrors are cut according to the design and the pieces of mirrors are adhered to the surface with a mixture of wood glue and plaster. A modern twist to mirror work, adding curves to the straight cuts, has allowed modern artists to replicate more intricate designs such as this calligraphy text, a verse from the Holy Quran.